My name is Tia, and I'm going to knock this concrete out.
Safety first. Good girl. Good job. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.